Humoral and cellular immunity represent two arms of the adaptive immune response, each playing a unique role in defending the body against pathogens. Humoral immunity involves antibody production, primarily mediated by B lymphocytes, whereas cellular immunity is governed by T lymphocytes that address intracellular pathogens. Both mechanisms are integral to a coordinated immune defense. Humoral immunity commences with the recognition of antigens by B cell receptors, BCRs. B cells, upon encountering their specific antigen, undergo clonal expansion and differentiate into plasma cells and memory B cells. Plasma cells are the primary producers of antibodies, also known as immunoglobulins, which circulate through the bloodstream and lymphatic system. These antibodies neutralize pathogens by binding to their antigens, marking them for destruction by other immune cells such as macrophages and neutrophils, or interfering with pathogen function directly. Different classes of antibodies, IgM, IgG, IgA, IgA, and IgD, have specialized roles, ranging from initiating immediate responses to sensitizing cells to allergens. Cellular immunity, conversely, involves the direct action of T lymphocytes against infected cells or during instances of transplant rejection or cancer. T cells recognize antigens presented by major histocompatibility complex (MHC) molecules on the surfaces of infected cells. Upon engagement, they induce a variety of responses. Cytotoxic T cells, CD8+, directly kill infected cells by inducing apoptosis, preventing the spread of infection. Meanwhile, helper T cells, CD4+, release cytokines that help activate B cells, other T cells, and macrophages, thus orchestrating and amplifying the immune response. Regulatory T cells also exist within this system, maintaining immune tolerance by modulating immune system activation to prevent autoimmunity. The interaction between humoral and cellular immunity illustrates the complexity and sophistication of the immune system. Vaccinations exploit these mechanisms, often aiming to stimulate both antibody production and cellular responses to confer long-lasting immunity against diseases. By understanding humoral and cellular immunity, scientists continue to develop novel therapies to combat infectious diseases, autoimmune disorders, and cancers. Both branches must function harmoniously to maintain robust immune protection and homeostasis within the body.